Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Chandelier Sound, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles northwest of Mississippi Sound, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Mississippi Sound, Cat Island, and Ship Island. Strong winds will be dangerous for boaters or anyone near the water. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Seek shelter or move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southern Mississippi, in